This is a quick tutorial for how to use the Conferences app within Schoology. So Conferences is the video conferencing app, very similar to Zoom, that we can use within Schoology. So your teacher will let you know in some way, either via a message or a post, that you're going to have a video chat conference. So they might send you a message and the message would show up here, or in this case, here's an event that was created that has the date. It says, please log on the welcome meeting and conferences at 9 a.m. And this is for today, Thursday, September 3rd. So that's one way I was informed about this conference. So now that I know there's a conference and it's almost 9 a.m., I just, in my class, from that teacher, need to go down to conferences. And I find the welcome conference, which is the only one here. And it looks like my teacher has already started it because it says in progress. You wouldn't have this end conference piece because that's my view as a teacher. But it would say in progress. So I just need, so I go ahead and click on welcome. And here's the choice for microphone or listen only. If I know I'm going to have to participate, then I would, like with my voice, I should say, then I am going to select microphone. Otherwise, if it's just something I'm going to need to listen to, I would select that. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll have an echo test. And the echo test is like that. It just makes sure that your audio is working. And then I'm in the conference and my teacher will be presenting something over here, or maybe have their webcam on and be sharing something. And there's chat over here, although the teacher may close the chat depending on what they're sharing. And there are whiteboard options. So the teacher may have you write on a whiteboard with your mouse. So that's how you access and use conferences.